The concepts or lessons that I've learned, so many, but some that come to mind are leadership, servant, protector, to volunteer, stand up for the activities and role plays, the installation and binding questions, the no-base questions, all great stuff this year. And then no-base questions absolutely increased my revenue this year. But just recently, a great example is installation and binding since using it. So that's, I've used those in every 4 of the last 4 sales that I had. That really pushed me forward.
I've let go of the mindset of viewing FPG as if it is like homework or something that I have to like check off the list. And I'm now viewing it as more of an opportunity to truly better myself.
I'm most proud of myself for consistently applying the new concepts that I learned during our FPG trainings. Even when it felt uncomfortable or different, I made an effort to give it a try, which has led to significant sales success.
I'm most proud of myself because I did not waver from the process, and I have done my best to learn and apply what I've learned and also be very open to coaching.
You guys are trained and taught to help people be better. A lot of other salespeople are just trained to show stuff.